organic desi cotton, which is hand spun, hand woven, and naturally dyed. So,
What is naturally dyed?
dyeing is fully vegetable, fruit, root, and bark extracts, all plant-based herbal extracts or natural. So there are no chemicals in it. So many people who do natural dyeing, at least they use a chemical mordant to fix it so that the color fixes deeply into the cloth. We also use a natural mordant, so our colors are much more subtler than the regular colors. So, so there is zero chemicals used in this. So the cotton is also organic, desi, rain-fed cotton. So that's a native variety cotton.
Okay.
So which are like lost after the industrial revolution, where the Britishers introduced hybrids. Native cottons consumes much lesser water, and they can be grown organically without any pesticides. So the toxin that goes into cotton growing is avoided. And to support weavers and spinners, it's hand spun and hand woven. And to be totally eco-friendly, it is naturally dyed. So we call Tula garments the lightest garment you can sport ecologically. So that is Tula. We have men's wear, we have women's wear, we have children's wear, we have a lot of fabric, and we have some towels and other furnishings. So
Could you please show me?
yes, so in the this is a children's top. This is a men's shirt. We have shirts and kurtas. That is a woman's short top, long top. The stole. We have the women's short top as well. These are all women's short tops.
Okay. May I know how to wash this cloth? Do you have any
The
instructions?
care is mentioned in our fabric, and every clothing has a label here. So it has to be hand washed in cold water with natural detergent and dry it in shade.
What is natural detergent?
Natural detergents are usually the less stronger chemicals without much of a bleach.
Soap
Probably
nuts.
a khadi soap. Best is
And-
soap nuts.
Okay.
If we can get soap nuts and wash them in soap nuts, it's best.
And do we need to soak them in salt before
Yes.
washing?
Yes. We always, for a colored dress, we suggest soak it in salt, so that the color is fixed even more stronger into the dress. So that these natural mordants, the fixing, you need to continue doing in the first few washes. Soak in salt and wash them.
Okay.
Hand wash is preferred.
Okay. And how does the cloth looks like after washing?
The cloth gets softer after washing actually.
And the cloth will be little. It becomes stronger, as I understand.
Stronger, it's softer.
And it will become a little bad than
Little closer. I mean, the threads will come closer after washing. Yeah, that's what I'm.
yeah. So we have already washed it to remove any shrinkage. So before weaving, they use starch so that weave is strong enough. So after washing, the starch will come off. So that is how it becomes softer and softer and softer.
So the now which you are wearing is washed already. So I could make the difference between this and this. Okay, close. Thank you. Thank you.